just a stonking great big gold ring.
Another day, another adventure. It's just before sunrise. It's very overcast. Hopefully that'll burn off a little bit later on when the sun gets up. I haven't been doing any filming for the last few weeks. I lost my camera. I've just got a replacement yesterday, so this is the first film with it, see how it goes on. So let the adventure commence. I've got a massive sounding target just below me. It could be just a bit of foil or something, but need to look. I think I've got it. Huh, it's a couple of coins. A copper and a 50 cents. Let's see what we have here. I think I've got it. And it's another coin. 20 cents. Like a target. It's a little ring, probably just going to be bling, but at last something. It's been a bit hard going this morning, so at least got a ring in the scoop. Well, I've just dug a nice ring, probably stainless steel. It's shiny. I can't read what the writing is on the inside. If there is writing, something's I think in there, but looks like a nice stainless steel. I'll spend a bit more time around this area before I back up off the beach. From today's adventure, in fact you're going to get two show and tells, because I'm going to show you something, a few things I found the other day. I've been without a camera for about 3 weeks. I managed to lose my GoPro in the sea with a huge wave that took it off my head. I'm going back again to that beach tomorrow, see if I can find it, but I've been back 4 times and I think it's gone. Anyway, this morning it was a bit thin on the ground to start with, and then eventually it started to pick up a little bit and got a few euros, so not too bad, even a Russian coin. When I was coming back from the far end of the beach, I found this little dinky silver ring, a stone in it, probably a bit of glass, and also then a quite a big chunky stainless steel ring. It's actually a fandom ring. It's got a brand name of Witcher on the inside, and there is a laser etched some sort of palm leaf in the on the outer surface, but it's quite hard to see. I went out again on Tuesday and did fairly well. Again, a few coins, nothing too spectacular on the coin front, but always nice having the coins because it helps pay for the fuel to go into the beach. I got quite excited about this ring to start with, as it was blingy, very shiny gold, but it's just plated, so unfortunately not. Then a thin stainless steel ring, a slightly bigger stainless steel ring with some sort of pattern on it. A chunky stainless steel ring with looks like Arabian type symbol on it, but quite a chunky ring. I found a silver ring, nothing huge, but quite nice. Then the best find of the day was definitely this gold ring. Big, chunky, quite heavy, which is nice. So yeah, and a stone in it, but unfortunately the stone isn't real, just a bit of glass. So never mind, but you know, the gold's gold, which is what part of it is all about, as well as having fun. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you next time.